Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about Data Cloud's newest capability, Document AI, that will help you extract information from unstructured document, whether it could be a PDF file or an image consisting of invoices, resume, or any other information. You can further take this ahead and extend it with flows, Apex classes, and also with agents. In this video, we'll learn how to extend Document AI's capability with agents. I am Akshata Sawant, developer advocate at Salesforce, and with that, let's get started. So for this example, I have a candidate resume, custom object, and a few records that I've already created. I also have the resume file ID linked, and the resume files are uploaded here as Salesforce files. Let's go ahead into the agent builder and ask information about the candidate's profile from the resume. So agent here is extracting information from the resume files that are linked to the candidate profile, and it has got me the professional summary, the skills, work experience, all the information from the resume that is formatted well. So let's see how it works. So currently we are in Document AI. Let's go ahead and create a new schema configuration. You can create a schema configuration from a source object using a UDMO, a unstructured data model object, where you will have all the documents already uploaded, or you can go ahead and do it without a source object and further invoke it programmatically. Let's see how it works without a source object because that's a really simple one. So let's create a new schema configuration for which you can select your LLM. You can further go ahead and upload some files. I have a few resume files that we can go ahead and upload. Further, you can extract the fields or add the fields manually, or you can use the auto extraction feature to extract the fields. You can now see all the fields are extracted, and there are a couple of tables as well. You can also go ahead and add in some new fields and prompt if required. Let's now go ahead and test out the fields against the resume. And we have got all the information extracted. We also have a table that is having information. You can further go ahead and save in the document schema configuration with a label as resume template, and that's done. You can further go ahead and use this schema in your flows, Apex classes, and also in your agents. Let's see how it works with Apex class. I already have an Apex class created here and also share the information about it in the description. And as you can see, I have used an invocable method here to invoke the schema configuration, but here I'm using the Document AI's API configuration. I have also created a connected app to enable client credential authentication. You can create one using a preferred authentication type. You can further go ahead and invoke it from an agent by adding it as a topic. I have added the process AI resume, the document AI configuration as a top, and I'm passing in information like candidate's name, and I'm expected to have human readable formatted resume response. Let's go ahead and ask the agent about a new candidate, maybe a different candidate. And the agent again is extracting the information from the resume, and it has again used the Document AI's capability to extract all the information from the resume. Similarly, you can extend Document AI's capability with Agentforce and get started with processing your unstructured data. I hope you like this video. Please do check out other videos from this playlist and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.